about that. Please stay in touch. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe this. Yes, I will be talking about the evolutions of the banking sectors in Nepal. As in Nepal, the banking sectors were now also they are gradually improving their performance. They are making some changes, and they are continuously improving. This is the processes. This is going on. This is never-ending process. Let's talk about the beginning. Yes, in the context of Nepal, the banking sectors were emerged. That can be categorized into three categories. That's three phases. We can explain the banking evaluations in Nepalese context can be categorized into three phases. I will be talking about each phase accurately, and I am trying to make you understand about all of these phases. And the first phase was the time when the Randeep Singh Saha was the prime minister, and he introduced Tejrat Adda, and the Tejrat Adda, which is performing the banking facilities, who is giving the banking services to the public. Tejrat Adda was established in 1933. In 1933, Bikram Samvat, that the Bikram Samvat in 1933, Bikram Samvat, the Tejrat Adda came into existence, and it provided the banking services, like it provided the loan to the consumer as in the 5% rate. But it did not accept the deposit, and the loan disbursement process is carried out only. The loan is given to only those people who gave them as collateral the gold and the other property as a collateral, and those are benefited from the loan facilities. Yes, it has the one lag that it did not able to grab the market deposit, did not able to collect the market deposit. They did not accept the market deposit. This is the initial step. This is the first phase of the banking evaluations in Nepal. Yes, after this Tejrat Adda development, we will move to the second phase. In the second phase, there were the 5 banks were developed, as 5 banks will introduce at that time. In the second phase, initially the banking system were more functionalized, they are more institutionalized, as there were the first bank which was introduced formerly as the Nepal Bank Limited, which was introduced in 1994, Bikram Samvat, and it has the various functions. It provides the various functions to the public, and there is another bank which was introduced by the government. Let's talk about this Nepal Bank Limited. As Nepal Bank Limited did not fully owned by the government and did not fully by the private persons or the public. Did not they have the partnership between the public and the government. And the another bank was introduced, the name is Nepal Rashtra Bank. As Nepal Rashtra Bank and Nepal Rashtra Bank was introduced by the introductions of the act, by the formulations of act, by taking the principle, by following that principle, by that act, it resulted one bank, that is the Nepal Rashtra Bank, Nepal Rashtra Bank. And for the development of Nepal Rashtra Bank, the Nepal Rashtra Bank Act was already developed. Based on that Nepal Rashtra Bank Act, it was developed. Nepal Rashtra Bank Act was developed in 2012, and the Nepal Rashtra Bank was introduced, it functioning from the 2013 1/14 Bikram Samvat. And similarly, yes, there is another bank that is called the NIDC. We are more familiar about the NIDC. NIDC means Nepalese Industrial Development Corporation. Yes, it is it functions is direct toward the business development, corporate development, and it is providing loan and other facilities to the business sectors. Yes. And it was established in 2016, Bikram Samvat, and the NIDC was established, and then another bank were established named Rashtriya Banijya Bank. Rashtriya Banijya Bank was established in 2022, Bikram Samvat, and it has it is the first commercial bank fully owned by the government. It's commercial bank fully owned by the government. This is the first one. And another after that establishment of the Rashtriya Banijya Bank, another bank came into existence. That bank name is we can say Agriculture Development Bank. As Agricultural Development Bank, it is more focused to development of the agricultural sector. This was established in 2024, Bikram Samvat, and then moving toward this. This is the this is all process, this all bank were established in the second phase. Yes, all these activities was carried out in the second phase. In second phase, the banking services were more improved and banking system were be regulated. Nepal Rashtra Bank was established to regulate other banks, to provide the guidance to the other bank, and other bank has the different functions. They have the separate functions, and we will be moving ahead to the what third phase. In third phase, what happened is that the investment in the banking sector were came from abroad. Yes, uh, venture or international venture came into Nepal. International investment or came into Nepal. Let's take examples of one bank, that is uh, Nepal Arab Bank Limited, where the Nepal and the Arab both countries has the CRS. Both countries peoples are gather and has run the banking services in Nepal. This is the initial initiation steps. This is the establishment of the that is globalizations were carried out, and lots of other banking services were introduced. There is a lot of improvement in the banking sector. They were providing the different kind of services. As we're talking about there is the commercial bank, which were 26-27 commercial bank were added, and then development bank, around 30-35 development bank were came into existence, and similarly financial institutions, finance company were came into existence in the large number. They are serving the people in the different perspective, and they have introduced the internet banking, online banking, ATM services, debit card, credit card, utility bill payment, and other lots of many functions, and mobile banking. This were came into existence after the yes, in the third phase. And this third phase is moving around us. We were not stopping in that in this moment, but the initial as the developmental banking sectors were improving their performance, and has the lots of law, and the government will be more liberalized about this banking system. Yes, how many of you have the banking account? Please comment down in the comment sections. And I would like to inform you that the lots of people were there in who are getting these banking services in this present time. But in the context of Nepal, there is also there is very gap, as very few people were not aware about this. Make spread the awareness about the banking system in Nepal. Thank you. Bye bye.